My computer.
My computer.
Computer is an electronic machine.
It
Works on electricity like other machine. It helps us to work faster and more accurately. Actually, the machine which is operated by electricity is electronic machine. Computer is an electronic machine because it is operated by electricity. It works on electricity. That's why it is electronic machine. Like other machines, it helps us to work faster and more accurately. Machine helps us to work faster. We are do the work. When we are doing the work, the machine helps us to make it easy, faster and accurately. Here it helps us to work faster and more accurately. Computer store information. In computer we store pictures, songs, movies. Computer store information and perform numerical calculations much faster than humans. Computer does the calculation like arithmetical calculation, plus, minus, multiplication, division very faster than humans. They have a memory like us. They never get tired and never commit mistakes. They never get tired, they never commit mistakes because that are non-living, so there is no chance to make mistakes. So we can say that computer is a smart machine. It helps us to play games, listen to music and use the internet. When we open your computer games, you saw this type of panel. These are games on computer, and this is the Google where we surf the internet, search the many things on the Google. Introduction to machines. Machines are man-made devices. Machines are man-made devices. The devices which are made by man are man-made devices. Machines are man-made devices meant to make working easy and comfortable. Machines need fuel or power to operate. Computer needs electricity, television needs electricity, juicer mixer need electricity, light bulb need electricity, and car needs fuel, petrol or diesel. Bike needs petrol. Machines need fuel or power to operate. A refrigerator requires electricity. Do you know a refrigerator? Refrigerator, we call refrigerator as fridge. Refrigerator requires electricity to work. It helps us to keep food stuffed and drinks cool and fresh. When we put the cold drink in the fridge, cold drink become very cool, chilled. And when we put the milk inside the fridge, that will fresh. Calculator needs a battery to work. This is a calculator. Calculator have a battery to work. It helps us to do arithmetical calculation like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Do you know addition, subtraction, multiplication and division? These are the arithmetical calculation. 2 plus 2 is addition, 4 minus 2 subtraction, 2 into 2 multiplication, 4 divided by 2 that is division. These are the arithmetical calculations, and which is done by with the help of calculator, and calculator needs a battery to work. An automobile requires fuel to work. This is an autobike. But autobike needs petrol. Petrol is a fuel. An automobile requires fuel to work. It helps us to go other places quickly. When we go from one place to another place by foot, we reach in much time. When we go by bike goes faster, so we reach early at their place. When the two people goes the same distance, one by foot, one on foot, and one by bike. So will which who will reach fast? A man with bike reach fast, thus saving time and making transportation comfortable and easy. An air conditioner requires electricity. This is AC, called air conditioner. An air conditioner requires electricity. It helps us to keep our homes, offices, etc. cool and comfortable. You see the AC? AC flows the cool air.
Yes.
It helps us to keep our homes, offices, etc. cool and comfortable. This is a juicer. Juicer requires electricity to work. It helps us to get fresh juice of fruits in no time. Juicer makes the fruit in very little time. Do you know juicer? Mama uses the juicer in kitchen. He makes the fruit in very little time. This is a camera. You see camera? A camera helps us to take photographs. When we go anywhere, we take photographs with the help of camera. Now you see camera in your mobile phone. Click click click, है ना? When you take a photo, camera gives a sound. Click, confirmation sound. Click. Camera helps us to take photographs. You see a camera in mobile phone. A water purifier needs electricity to work. This is a water purifier. This needs electricity to work. It helps us to purify water and make it fit for drinking. Recall. What are machines? Machines are man-made devices designed to perform various tasks easily and quickly. What is computer? Computer is an electronic machine. A computer cannot operate by itself. Computer, we have done the work, not computer done any work itself. We have to operate computer. A computer does not feel thirst, hunger or tiredness because it works on electricity, so it does not feel thirst, hunger or tiredness. Evolution. Now you have to tell the answers. What is computer? Computer is an electronic device which works on electricity. Write a few uses of computer. On the computer we watch movies, play games, video, watching movies or videos, play games, music, etc. What is calculator? Calculator is a device which help to do arithmetical calculations. Name some machines which need fuel to work. Motorbike, car, engine, train. These needs fuel to work. Diesel train. Write the names of 3 machines which works on electricity. Computer, television, juicer, mixer, refrigerator, induction, light bulb, LED. Now match these machines. Where is phone? Here is phone. Where is television? This is television. There is motorcycle and this is refrigerator. Fill in the blanks to make meaningful words. What is this? ELENIC. This is electronic
machine.
ELECTRO. Calculator. TLEVISION. This is juicer. GUICER. Juicer. Tick the correct sentences and cross out the incorrect ones. Computers store information. Yes. We can use computer to watch movies. Yes. We feed the computer to make it grow up. No. A computer can work without power. No. It needs electricity. Match the following machines with the kind of energy that they need to work. Calculation needed battery or cell. Computer needed electricity. Solar cooker needed sunlight. Potato peeler needed human strength. And car needed fuel. Now, choose the best alternative to complete the following statements. Machine is made by humans. Not the machine is not made by gods, not the nature, and it is made by humans. Laptop is a toy? No. Laptop is a computer? Yes. Laptop is a child? No. A machine to do arithmetical operation is this is calculator. Automobile cannot do arithmetical progression. Calculator cannot do arithmetical progression. Calculator can do the arithmetical operations. And compounder cannot. Computer is a machine. Yes. Bird? No. Animal? No. Computer is used to listen music. Yes. Play games. Yes. Surf internet. Yes. All of these.
Yes.
Now this is your work. Observe the different types of machines in your home. See the different types of computers in a mart. Study the different parts of juicer, mixer, grinder.